Yeah, baby.
Yeah. How y'all doing?
Oh,
Yeah. I would not have guessed this guy would have pulled right in and just started fishing right in front of me. Back down the hatches, boys. We're going on a boat ride. Get ready to hook up the rig here. It is early in the morning still. It's about 20 after 5. It's going to blow today. It's still pretty early in the morning. It's good in here. One hook, top of the nose. Are you kidding me? Woo! Get up in this boat. First period update. Started off up north in the grass stuff. It's area I got bit in practice pretty good, but man, didn't pan out this morning for me. Andy Morgan's up there and James Watson are both up there, and they're catching a lot of fish and stuff. But I don't know, just never got on the right line or whatever. So I came back down, got on my line of dock, and shockingly, nobody else is even around. I don't know why that is. Nobody else even around through here. Let's see, I missed one. Just stole my worm. And then I had one break me off. And then I caught two. And I think they've all been 3 to 4.5 pounds. So.
yeah, baby.
Yeah. How are y'all doing?
Oh,
Yeah. Yeah, that's a nice one.
4 pounds, 9 ounces.
4.9. Yep, pretty one. Pretty one. And even that one's only got one on.
Oh, yeah.
Thank you, Lord. 4.9. Good one. Good one. Been good. Been good to catch these last couple. Yeah, if you don't mind, I'd like to. I appreciate the offer, because I appreciate you doing that. A lot of folks wouldn't have. You just got to fish so slow to get them to bite. Oh yeah.
Four pounds, 3 ounces.
4.3. Look how fat that fish is. That little bitty fish weighs 4 pounds, 3 ounces. Yep, how fat it is. These fellas here let me fish the dock there before they started working. Very, very nice of them. So, good period. Good period. We got 2 of the right ones. We need 3 more the rest of the day. So, after the slow start, first hour and an hour, hour and a half, something like that, turned it around. So, very, very good. It's not a real big one, but we'll take him for now. Fish has been caught before, multiple times, I think. But still.
2 pounds, 7 ounces.
2.7. Not a big one, but it is number 4. One of those is little bitty, but we at least got us another one. It's slow. It is slow.
One lines out, end of period 2.
That was not a very good period right there. Not at all. He went over and went and bit everything but the hook. But then he came back that time and ate it. Thank you, Lord. I should not have swung that fish. Good?
Good.
That was crazy. I saw that fish just cruising. I made a good cast over there by it.
3 pounds, 12 ounces.
312. I should not have swung that fish. Chunky, chunky. Thank you, Lord. Yes. I made a good pitch. It went over there and went. It ate all of my worm except the hook. And then it swam away. I said, golly, I can't believe that happened. I just let it keep sinking, keep sinking. He swam back over there to it and ate it. Yes, thank you, Lord. Open your mouth. Yes. Yes, 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 yes. Oh, thank you, Lord. It just fell out right there. Oh, thank you, Lord. That's a big one. That's a good one. Good big one.
5 pounds, 3 ounces.
Yes, 5'3". Look at that big old thing. It's pretty rude, truthfully. Look. She's being so rude, but I'll take it. 5'3". I'd like another one like that to be rude to me. Oh, thank you, Lord. This is actually the particular dock I came down here to fish. It was this exact one. And I already fished it and didn't get bit, but I saw a couple like that under there. And I don't know if you watched or if you were seeing all that, but it took me 6 tries, I believe, to get my worm under that dock. So it goes to show you, if at first you don't succeed, try and try and try and try and try and try. Is that enough? Maybe try one more. Again. We made it. That second period was terrible. Only caught one like 2-pounder. Started working my way south a little bit, and in the third period I had the decision to make, either come all the way south or go back north. And I decided to come all the way south, and man, it worked out. I don't know any other way to say it. I caught one that was just a cruising fish that I swam over and bit my worm and didn't eat it and blew it out. Swam away and turned around and came back and ate it. It was a 312, and then caught a 5-pounder under a dock. The dock I came down here to fish, and then caught another 310 or something to sew it up. And it looks like Andrew made it. It looked like Andy made it in 20th. So pretty pumped. Man, another knockout round. But it's going to take some big weight tomorrow to make that championship. So I'm excited. Ready to come back out here, fresh slate. 40th is the bottom tomorrow, so that's a nice feeling. But we'll come out and see what we can do. I'm gonna try this stupid thing.
With the trouble to build it.
Yeah.
Use it.
I think I'd rather fish for largemouth. I finally just saw one under a dock. Thank you. Yeah, there's a whole bunch of them chasing it out too. Come here, buddy. I'm gonna get right there. You ain't bad. You ain't huge, but
2 pounds, 8 ounces.
38. Chunker. Mm-hmm. Thank you, Lord. That's a little better one.
That's a better one. Yes, sir.
Thank you, Lord. 4-6. It's a pretty one. Hasn't been caught a time or two, huh? Thank you, Lord. I would not have guessed this guy would have pulled right in and just started fishing right in front of me. I was a little surprised by that. Stop doing all that wallering around stuff. That's a big fat one. That ought to be a 5. That ought to be 5 or real close to it.
4 pounds, 10 ounces.
14. Thank you, Lord. I'm gonna end up fishing all this right in here in the. Yeah. Okay. Thank you. Yeah, I appreciate it. Well, first period update. I would love to say, you know, hey man, we had a good period, caught 4 fish, got 15 pounds. We did that part, but the cut top 10 is already 21 and change. And 28's leading. So we've still got some ground to make up, but we've got 2 whole periods to do it, and it is glass. Absolute beautiful out here today, which is probably part of the reason it's going so well across the board. But it's been fun. Caught a couple 4-pounders, one on a wacky worm. No, how many? What I have? I have 3 4-pounders. I got 2 4-pounders. Yeah, one on a jig, one on a wacky worm. Another 3-pounder. But yeah, it's been fun seeing some, and just trying to mill around and get a bite. Try to find a big one. There are big ones around here, so we just need to trick him in a bite, and we'll be in decent shape. But good start for us, all things considered. We just need some 5s and 6s instead of 3s and 4s at this point. Stay on there, you big old fish, you. Whip out that grass. I'm gonna come right there. Come here. Dude, that's a big one there. We might send him a picture of this one.
Okie dokie. Oh my.
Here
we go.
That's a fat girl.
That's a fat one. Yes, it is. 6 pound, 2 ounces.
6'2". 6'2". Let's take a picture of that big old fat girl.
Got it.
6'2". Look at that. I knew when I saw her, I was like, that's a solid one.
I'd say 602.
6'2". Thank you, Lord. Well, that was a good period. What did I catch? I caught a 6-pounder. That was pretty big. And I think a 3-pounder that helped. It's now my small one. I think, and I caught some other non-helpers, but the 6-pounder was the news for sure. Newsworthy one. Funny because you throw that little wacky worm under a dock and it's tick tick. Just a light little bite. And then it's one long as your leg. No rhyme or reason, but y'all being so needy right now, aren't you? Well, made it home. I guess last night, wasn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it was last night. 12 hours home from New York and did it all in a day. But man, all in all, a really good event for sure. Finished up 23rd, and I think I finished second in the largemouth tournament. You know, so that part I'll take as a win. Only end up winning.
He's sitting on the grill to get to you.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay,
Somebody did
He
not.
missed me.
It was too many days without his people.
Yeah, he missed me back. But yeah, I had 23 pounds on that knockout day and finished 23rd place. So that's pretty crazy, no doubt about it. Cayuga is a special place, and we hit it at a really good time. So certainly a fun week. Caught my biggest one on that last day, a 6'2", I think it was, largemouth, big fat pretty one. But a lot of fun. Caught pretty much the majority of my fish. I only had a couple. One the first day, one was on a swim bait, one the last day on a jig. But basically everything on a watermelon seed, Bass Pro, Fennec worm, and some of the time I had a nail weight in it, some of the time I didn't. Just kind of depend on just how the fish were down there at the bottom or not. But just skipping that around docks and sight fish with it some. But a lot of those fish under those docks up pretty shallow. So it was a fun way to fish, fun way to catch them. And man, a great tournament. Got 2 more to go. Lake St. Clair and Saginaw Bay, both of them in Michigan. One here pretty quick, and then the other one wrap it up in August. So excited for these next couple events too. They're going to be a big weight, but probably not quite as big as Cayuga was. So